to GU1 of S, all of them capital. So it is possible in F domain or omega domain, but not possible in time domain. Are you getting what I am saying? So now that is here, as I mentioned, that is all of them then should have been in the Laplace domain. That is capital Y1 of S equals to G of S into U1 of S, then capital Y2 of S equals G of S into U2 of S. Then you can add. So certainly this addition is possible in the Laplace domain because Laplace transformation, that is that follows the linearity property and also the scalar multiplication, all other things. Okay, in that perspective it is fine, but certainly you cannot write it in the time domain. Is that fine? But here in this context, that is, I give you a small exercise. If you can't, then next day I will show you. That is, it cannot be the fact that we are not able to establish the linearity property in the time domain. That shouldn't be. So if it is in this form, x dot equals to x plus bu, how can you establish the linearity property? Any idea?
So you can plot the input-output graph, and if it is a straight
But
line,
from that cannot be, because suppose if you have a differential equation, how would you be plotted? That is, every time you see, that is why we get stuck, because right from the beginning, whenever, that is like since our childhood, I should be class 2 level, whenever we understood or learned linearity with respect to Ohm's law, V equals to IR, and then that is every time we try to think about linearity, we take the example of a straight line passing through the origin, y equals to mx, right? It is very easy to think, and for the beginners it is also very easy to visualize, but at the same time that is the cause of all the confusion, because it is an equation of a static object, not a dynamic object. The moment you step into system theory, you are handling dynamic systems. So a dynamic system cannot be represented in the y equals to mx format. So that's why, Aditya, what you started saying, that is this y1 equals to something into u1, then something into u2, that we cannot do it for dynamic system. If you have static objects, then it is fine. Have you now understood? Like most of us, even all of us, that is, we take